So the Biosphere's Most Wanted project is a citizen science-led project which is trying to tell the communities about 6 species in particular and how they can record them with their mobile phones. The first species is the grey-legged butterfly, which we know historically was abundant in the coalfields area, but we haven't really got very many modern records. So we're looking to see where is it still and how are those populations doing. The second species is the witch elm. This is a tree species that's been decimated by Dutch elm disease, but our local populations are slightly resistant. So we're looking for trees that survive that initial outbreak of the disease, and we're going to collect seeds from them to create a disease-resistant seed bank. So how do you tell? We want you to hug the witch elm, and if you can't touch your fingers, record it to us. The third species is the red squirrel. This is, of course, a very iconic Scottish species, but it's not doing as well as it could be because of grey squirrels and squirrel pox. But what we're really interested in is roadkill. We do know red squirrels are getting hit on the roads, we just don't know where. So if you find any run-over red squirrels, please do record them into us. And our fourth species is the adder. This is a reptile that has declined drastically throughout the UK, and we assume that there has been declines here in the south of Scotland, we just don't know where. So if you do find adders, please do record them so we know where those adders are. The swift, this is a bird that doesn't really get recorded very often, probably because it's found in urban areas where people don't think to record birds, but it is in drastic decline. But we're not really interested with the photos because you're going to struggle with your phone. But what you can do first is record that audio, and we can use their call to verify where they are in the biosphere. The last species is the nursehound, or the greater spotted dogfish. We think these are going to start breeding in the south of Scotland's waters. So what we want you to look for is the mermaid's purse, the egg case of the nursehound. And all these species, the whole idea is to get you guys involved with recording. So if you can record any of these species that you find, let us know, and we can use that to influence conservation and decision making. So one of the really important parts of the project is the iNaturalist app. So you can actually just get that for free on your Google Play, and you can just use it to photograph wildlife and record it. All right, so we're just going to take an observation using iNaturalist. You just have to hit this green plus. We're just going to take the photo. Just like that, take the photo. And then there's this what did you see tab. You just click that and the AI will attempt to identify your observation. It's saying it's oxeye daisy, that's correct. The location and date and time is all automatic, so you just press the tick and that's it. That's your first observation, it's as easy as that.